All right, let's go. Big game for realtors because I just did like an hour live. It cut off when I went so long. Check this out. Peace, Queen. Love you, sis. So check this out. If you're a real estate agent, they say the average person buys a home like every 7 years. So if you're a real estate agent, if you only focus on homeowners, you're talking about a repeat customer only once every 7 years. And you've got to, hopefully depend on the referrals. But if you're a real estate agent or realtor and you know how to invest yourself, you now become a bigger value add for investor clients. Two parts, this big game. One, for existing investors, you now can speak their language. When they say what cap rate is, you know what a market cap rate is and how to find it. When they say ROI, you know it's net profit divided by investment times 100. When they talk about ARV, you know what they're talking about. So as a realtor, you give greater value and greater credibility to yourself when you yourself know how to invest as a realtor. That's kind of basic, medium game, not big game yet, Jay, medium game. So as a real estate agent, you must get mentorship. You must get additional curriculum. You must get additional information on being an investor. You cannot rely on a real estate agent salesperson 75-hour course alone. That's the fundamentals of real estate to represent buyers and sellers and to be a broker to get a commission for running around showing them houses or listing somebody's houses on the MLS. Cool. The other big game part of why real estate agents should and can't say, yes, I'm an investor's broker. That's right. You want to be an investor's broker. Here's why also. As an investor, if you do me right the first time and you're credible and you have great conversation and you know what I'm talking about, you speak my lingo and all that, if I buy one property from you, I'll still give you word of mouth referral, but if I'm receiving ROI, cash flow, equity, or I'm flipping or whatever, I'm going to come back to you to get more investments repeatedly. I might do 4 deals, 10 deals in 1 year, as opposed to one homeowner every 7 years. But that's still like medium game, Jay. Big game. Also, as an investor's broker, I know Queen Candace can attest to this. As you're building credibility with your investors and leverage with your investors because you are the deal finder and the source, you end up not only getting commissions, but can also be an equity partner with your investors and end up not only being their broker getting a commission, but now potentially being a dual agent getting double commissions, or being an agent through disclosure that also is a partner with them. And now you're investing those commissions or your other capital, credit, or whatever. And now you're the owner with them and you end up scaling and excelling with your investor clients. Or can strategically pair this investor client with that investor client. And why don't we all go out and get a bigger deal with leveraging everybody's capital? And now I'm getting a bigger commission. That's why it's so important for real estate brokers and real estate agents to not be minimized to a 75-hour salesperson course or just CE credits, but you got to learn the investing side as well to this business. You open yourself up for repeat customers in business, more commissions, not to mention the icing on the cake is you yourself know how to invest better for your own self and your own family, whether you want to be a real estate agent or not. You've learned the game and you've built the relationships. You found the lenders and you got to learn observing of other people's investments and mistakes and losses and gains. Our realtors are missing out by solely being focused on just being a representative of home buyers or sellers. You're missing a whole play of repeat business, scale, experience for yourself, future partners, all of that. So I'm done for the night. We already went like an hour long before. I just wanted to give some game to my real estate agents. If you're a real estate agent and you want to quadruple your business, learn the investing side so you're a bigger value add to more people than just home buyers. Can have more clients, more referrals, work your way into actually equity in deals, profit shares, appreciation of the business, and get more commissions while you learn the game shadowing expert investors. I think the biggest game of all, as you build a database of investors, you could be the syndication maestro, point guard, quarterback, facilitator, all that, and bring your clients in together to go do bigger deals where you get bigger equity and bigger commissions, bigger referrals, and more on your resume and more on your Instagram to show all the cool things you're doing to even get more clients. That's how you kill a bird, or kill 2 birds with 1 stone. 4 birds with 1 stone. Don't just go kill 2 with 1. Break the stone in half and kill 2 with each half in real life.